Hey friends, how to install XAMPP on your PC and laptop? First of all, open your favorite browser. So here you can see the Chrome browser. Just type here XAMPP download, and here you can see the official website download XAMPP. Just click on it. Now here you can see three options are showing. Just click on third option because third is the latest one. So select the download option. If your case downloading not start, just click here. As you can see, the downloading will be start. After finishing download, just click on xampp.exe file, and now minimize this window. Here you can see the XAMPP warning status showing. Just click on OK and click on next button. Now again click on next and again click on next. If you want to change language, so you can change here. You can see the detached language and English language showing. Best is the English by default. So click on next. Now again click on next. So our installation processing is start. Be patient and wait until finishing this process. After finishing installation process, here you can see the Windows firewall block some features. Simply click allow access option and now click on finish option. So now you can see the XAMPP successfully installed. Now I will show you how you can active modules. So here you can see the Apache and MySQL. Simply click on start option, and second option is MySQL. Just click on start option. If your case showing some blocks error, simply click on allow access. So now you can run any WordPress website or any PHP setups clicking from here admin option. Here you can see the admin option. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.